We're rolling.
We are doing it live. Blizzard in DC. 2, 1, go!
Hell! Oh, power boost! Oh!
I like that vibration. Feels good, right?
Oh yeah. Oh, I just knocked someone off there. Jetski. Alright. Yeah, I'm saying. Oh! Boost! Oh!
Yeah, I can feel this thing vibrating. Let's see. The camera can't pick it up though. Maybe you can hear it though.
Wait, let me get a boost, then you can hear it. Here I go. Oh, I missed it.
Did you get a boost yet?
No, not yet.
There's a boost. Get it. Get it. You gotta get it.
Wait, right here.
There we go. Alright. Let's see if you can feel it. Maybe they can hear it. That was pretty intense.
Checkpoint. I'm gonna shoot some missiles.
I think you're going the wrong. Oh, never mind. You're not going the wrong.
Secret passage.
You're going through a museum.
I got it.
Oh, knock me off.
It's vibrating so much.
Yeah. Oh my god. Shit.
You gotta beat those guys so you can play again.
I'm going for it.
Super attack is the way to go.
Boost. Here we go.
Oh, wow, my foot's dying right now.
Oh my god.
You're getting nailed with missiles right now.
I got one. Here we go. Gotta get a boost right here. Alright, speed boost. Here we go. Oh.
I think you just got first place.
I did it. Thank you.
Let's see. Nope, guess not.
Oh.
It says continue.